Unraveling the meaning of sink in, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, sink in. This phrase is widely used in English conversations, and understanding its meaning can really help you in grasping the nuances of English language. So, without further ado, let's dive in and learn about sink in. Sink in is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of fully comprehending or absorbing information, feelings, or a situation. It is often used when it takes some time for a person to truly understand or accept something. For example, if someone tells you a complex piece of information, you might need some time for that information to sink in before you fully understand it. Let's look at some examples to see how sink in is used in sentences. 1. It took a few moments for the news of her grandfather's death to sink in. 2. After the teacher explained the math problem, I needed a few minutes for it to sink in. 3. When I heard that I won the lottery, it didn't sink in until I saw the winning ticket with my own eyes. In all these examples, sink in is used to convey a period of time in which someone comes to understand or accept something. One common mistake learners make is using sink in the wrong context. Remember, sink in is used when there is a delay in understanding or accepting something. It's not used for immediate comprehension or acceptance. Incorrect. As soon as the joke was told, it sank in, and I started laughing. Correct. It took a moment for the joke to sink in, but once it did, I couldn't stop laughing. And there you have it, a detailed look at the phrase, sink in. We hope this video has helped you understand how and when to use this expression. Remember, mastering idiomatic expressions is a great step towards becoming fluent in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.